In the quiet before the storm, money drifts, searching for a safe harbor. But tonight, behind one lighted window, a plan awakens. The data tells a story the world has ignored. 1. The year silver shattered records and exposed the illusion of a market built on paper promises. Real metal, counted, weighed, moved, no promises, only weight. Prices climb like a heartbeat. Faster, louder, undeniable. Demand multiplies. Panels, cars, servers, pulling silver everywhere at once. The green revolution and AI boom, both starving for the same metal. For 5 straight years, the world has consumed far more silver than it produces. Mine supply is stagnant. Structural deficits piling up. Nearly 800 million ounces drained from global stocks since 2021. A coiled spring, wound tighter each day. The tape accelerates. The moment of recognition is here. It's real tightness. Physical. Everywhere. Vaults draining, premiums exploding, COMEX deliveries surging, sold-out spreads like wildfire. But paper silver lives on. Hundreds of paper ounces for every physical one. A fragile system designed to manage price until the squeeze broke through. Liquidity thins, bids flash, algos chase. The machine is losing control. Mark the date. The day the paper market blinked. Then, halted. A single word freezes the world. The digital illusion meets its physical limits. Silver surging into record territory. Then blackout. The world's largest futures exchange, offline for hours. Official cause, a critical cooling failure. Coincidence? Or the system buckling under physical reality? A circuit breaker pulled not by rules, but by force. They halted the momentum, but truth kept flowing. The real market never closes. The storm has passed, revealing a new landscape. Spot near 72. Calm on the surface. But underneath, the foundation has shifted forever. Today, on Christmas Day 2025, silver trades around $72 an ounce, up over 140% year-to-date, shattering all-time records. The shortage is undeniable. The great repricing has begun. Stack physical, before the paper illusion fully crumbles. Secure your position in the real world. Own what cannot default. Ounces in hand, not claims on a screen. Stack smart. Verify. Sleep well.